Hi everyone, I'm Hannah, student teacher from Swinburne University, preparing Bachelor of Education, Early Childhood. In this presentation, I'm going to introduce two theories, their concepts and their usefulness, such as scaffolding and social constructivism. The first theory, Berner, the theorist of scaffolding, stated that it is an instructive method that allows educators to assist a student in their studying. Using it can encourage and help students when the teacher asks open-ended questions. This allows them to identify which part of activity the children can depend on themselves and where they need to be supported. Second theory, social constructivism, Vygotsky stated that learning, which is built on children's interaction with other kids, which means that each child's learning outcome is different to the other children, thus is significant. Teachers make their classroom a space that supports lively learning. Vygotsky argued that it is important for children to have interaction with adults around them, the more knowledgeable other MKO, because this allows the students to have a strong understanding of what they are learning. As stated by the State of Victoria Department of Education and Training 2020. When the teacher first introduced the learning activity and asking questions in order of the other to further their knowledge, he or she is the MKO. All these two theories are play-based activities which support children with the development of mathematics and numeracy skills in their early years. This learning activity assists children to use their comprehensive and practice abilities. They need to have a chance to look into hands-on activities with ideas in different contexts. This helps children to develop a sense of reasoning. As claimed by Natalie R. 2019, children who are involved in play-based programs have most probably more higher level of thinking. The materials required are colored cups, bears, a big bowl for that the children must put in order the bears inside different cups. The participant ages of this learning activity are from 4 to 5 years old, kindergarten level. The aim here is to focus on mathematics constructs like counting and identifying numbers. This system allows students to use their logical, reasoning, and independent thinking skills. The curriculum early years learning framework is interpreted in two learning outcomes plus two sub-outcomes such as the first is number 4. Children are confident and involved learners, followed by the sub-number 4.2, children develop a range of skills and processes such as problem-solving, inquiry, experimentation, hypothesizing, researching, and investigating. The second is number 5. Children are effective communicators, followed by the sub-number 5.4. Children begin to understand how samples and patterns system work. For that, the children lead the lesson to be independent by discovering their own numeracy, conception of recognition, categorize, and practice. Before the lesson starts, the teacher will read A Pair of Socks by Stuart J. Murphy. Then show the children how to do the activity by sorting and counting, putting the bears in a cup. Also ask questions like, which cup should I put the red bear? During the activity, the educator observes how they are engaged with each other. After, the teacher steps into scaffolding the activity by asking questions using mathematical language. For example, in the blue cup, how many blue bears are there? If you add one more bear to the blue cup, how many would you have? Thank you for watching.